Hi, I'm Shelley Levette with ChildCareLand.com. Today I want to share with you a Play-Doh turkey. We really had so much fun making these today. Supplies are very easy. You just need to have some brown Play-Doh. We made our own brown Play-Doh. And you can have colored craft sticks. If you don't have colored craft sticks and just have plain craft sticks, you can paint the craft sticks. You can dip them or soak them in liquid watercolors, or I haven't tried food coloring, but that might work on there. And if you don't have that, you can always use craft feathers too on the back of here. That would work just as well for that. And then we added wiggle eyes, but you can just use construction paper eyes if you don't want to use wiggle eyes on there. And I do caution you that for children ages 3 and under, and those still in the stages of putting small items in their mouth, that please use supervision with these small items on here to prevent a choking hazard. Very easy to do. Oh, and you need construction paper as well. You just have brown Play-Doh, and they took the Play-Doh and made two balls with it, one bigger and one smaller, and they put the smaller one on the top for the turkey body. Then they pushed in the eyes, took their wiggle eyes and pushed those into the Play-Doh, and then they cut kind of like a long triangle shape that they folded over, and then they pushed that in to the Play-Doh. It looks like that. So it went in fairly easy to push it into the Play-Doh. And then they made a gobbler, and there were all different kinds of shapes of gobblers, because those I find are always hard to make. And then they stuck that down here. And of course, then they made some turkey feet and pushed that into the Play-Doh. Everything was great for fine motor development to push it into the Play-Doh. And again, we chose to use colored craft sticks. They could use whatever colors they wanted. Most chose to use different color, all not the same colors. So they had 6 different colors, and they just pushed those into the back of the turkey body. And again, you can use feathers on there as well. And they turned out so super cute on there, and everyone loved it. They had an excellent fine motor day activity making Play-Doh turkeys, and I wanted to share that with you today. If you had not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so you can be notified when new videos are released. And also please sign up for my free weekly newsletter at childcareland.com. And if you like the materials and the ideas I present in these videos, please like, comment, and share. As always, your support is truly appreciated. For Play-Doh turkeys, I'm Shelley Levette with childcareland.com. And thanks for watching.